Good morning everyone, and myself Dr. Jyoti Goyal. I am heading the Department of Internal Medicine at Nayati Medicity Mathura, and as we all know that the entire world is struggling with the COVID-19 pandemic, and unfortunately still there is no agent, no specific antiviral drug is available for its cure, and though many drugs and many agents are underway and undergoing various clinical trials for their safety and efficacy for treatment of COVID-19. And among these agents like Remdesivir, which is a new antiviral investigational drug, is coming out as a very promising agent to treat COVID-19 patients. And Remdesivir, although still so many large randomized controlled trials are undergoing on this drug, but the final results are still not there. Although the interim analysis of a very big trial which is being conducted on more than thousands patients is there, and which has clearly shown the clinical benefit and clearly shown that the recovery time of the patients who are suffering from COVID-19 disease with pulmonary involvement gets reduced by a significant number of days, like in comparison to placebo. And the difference between the recovery time with the use of Remdesivir is in comparison to placebo is from 15 days to 11 days. And although these trials are still showing the mortality benefit also from reducing the mortality rate from 11.6% to 8%, which was not found to be statistically significant in this trial. But let's see how the final results come out with this of this drug. And soon in the month of May only we are going to get good results and complete results out of these large randomized controlled trials. And it appears that Remdesivir is going to become a very promising drug for treatment of COVID-19 disease, especially the COVID-19 disease with the severe illness, patients who are having severe COVID-19 disease who are getting admitted in the hospitals. Now apart from this, Remdesivir, the US FDA has already authorized the emergency use of Remdesivir in patients who are suffering from severe COVID-19 disease, and even the enrollment in clinical trials is also not necessary. And similarly, along with the Remdesivir, FDA has also approved the use of hydroxychloroquine also for the emergency use. And in both the drugs, if we are using them out of the clinical trial, it's important that we should take all the precautions. And especially with hydroxychloroquine, if we are using it, get the ECG done, measure the QT interval, and if the QT interval is not significantly high, then only use the hydroxychloroquine drug. So apart from this Remdesivir and hydroxychloroquine, various other agents are also under the development, and but these agents are to be used under the clinical trials only, like in various interleukin 6 inhibitors, then chloroquine, then use of convalescent plasma are underway. So hopefully next few days or few weeks time we are going to see huge changes in the development of this treatment of COVID-19 disease, and I am very sure that Remdesivir is going to come as a very promising agent. Our ICMR is also working for acquiring and for making Remdesivir, generic form of Remdesivir, and it is being ICMR is tying up with the US agencies who are making this drug, and let's see that if the results are out and they are very promising, we are going to offer this very promising agent to all our patients who are suffering from severe COVID-19 disease. Thank you so much.